Today will be my wedding day. And they go celebrate like me, they trek, they go out. I told you, make you calm down. Make you calm down. When money come.
Calm down for what?
As you don't force me for this wedding now. No be trek with the trek they go house. Is it no shame to me? Women una too get pride.
Oh wow.
Broke man, shut up your mouth, please.
Okay, they call me broke man now. Because I accept to do the wedding. Today you call me poor man.
Why can't I call you a poor man? You're a poor man. Hey, Iketa. Iketa, the son of Mr. Joseph. If I tell you sorry, I'm not happy with you, I'm lying. For my wedding day, Iketa, let me tell you. This is the beginning of my success. This is the beginning of my success. Sweetheart, don't mind him, let's go. Iketa, boy, wait. Take my wedding day. I rent Prado. They will carry me and my bride. Go house. The man disappointed me. I paid him 80,000. 80,000. It disappointed me. The money was spent us for church. I only 250 remain. Little children where they pick the whole money. When my class pay me for church, they pick the whole money. Please, can you help us? Okay, listen. I am willing to help you. But why is it that you people like to lie? You are married to me and you are lying to me. No vessel. Now 250 remain for my pocket. I will not lie again. See the kind of husband where you dey marry, lying husband. Okay, I will help you. Enter.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. Hey!